Hi everyone! Yes, I often write emails. I write emails to my teachers when I want to ask a question about my homework or a project. It's very convenient because they can reply quickly. I also sometimes write emails to my friends when we plan to meet or when I want to share some exciting news.
I think emails are very useful for communication because they are fast and you can attach files like photos or documents. Writing emails is an important skill for school and for talking with people who are far away. It saves time.
Talking about letters. I don't often write long letters, but sometimes I still like to write a birthday card for my mom.
It's like small letter. I write it when I want to say thank you or I love you in a special way.
Letters are very personal and make people feel warm inside.
I think writing letters is important because it helps us keep memories and shows our true feelings. My mom always keeps my cards. It's a bit slow compared to emails, but it's very meaningful.